As predicted by health officials across the country, the United States is experiencing a second wave of the coronavirus. However, in the North Country, the COVID-19 surge is more threatening than expected. Chairman of the Jefferson County Board of Legislators, Scott Gray, addressed the uptick and what this means as the region heads into winter.
We knew we would probably see somewhat of an uptick coming into the fall season, when people were going to regress from their outdoor activities to more indoor activities. We weren't quite expecting this type of surge, and it's concerning going into the holidays because there's a lot more gatherings that are going to take place. Since the 1st of November, we've had 127 cases increase. But more importantly, we're seeing it as much in other counties. Nobody has been spared from this uptick like the springtime. So it is prevalent more so than ever.
According to Gray, these unpredicted rates are due to actions and lifestyle patterns of North Country residents, including large private gatherings. Gray stated that numbers will continue to surge if actions are not taken.
So the numbers that we're seeing right now are, probably going to remain as they are, if not get worse. We are asking the public to please understand, what it takes and the precautions that are necessary. Do your best to minimize your movement. Do your best to minimize being around people. And if you have to, always wear a mask. The precautions aren't there. We're not just pulling them out of the air and saying, this is what we want to do to people because that's what we want to do. There's a reason that we do what we do, right? And there's a reason that those precautions are in place.
The county is currently working to address positive infections as they come in, including working with New York State to perform contact tracing as the county is currently facing an overload. However, as the holidays are fast approaching, Gray emphasized that preventative measures are up to North Country residents.
We're asking people to, we know that this has been a very long endeavor. We understand that. But it's gotten worse, right? It is far worse than it was in the spring or in the summertime. And we're asking for people's patience and their cooperation as we move forward because there's a lot at stake here. And that's people's livelihoods and people's health.
For ABC 50 Now, I'm Isabella Colello.